Welcome to Kids Home. Today I'm going to show Anjura plant. There are a lot of varieties of figs in this world. I'll show you one variety of fig plant. There is an Anjura plant. Let's go there. Whoa, I'm okay. Let's explore something. Look here. We see some yellow flowers. They are yellow. They have some black things here. And there are two flowers. Oh, here's another one. Come on. Look at this big plant. Even I am not tall enough. Come on. There is the Anjura plant. We reached to the Anjura plant. Let's go near it. Wow. We reached to the Anjura plant. Come in. I'll show you. See the Anjura tree, guys. Wow. Look at the fruits here. Wow. See the fruits, guys. See it. Lot of fruits in this plant. Wow. Look at it. Wow. It's like a shelter. Cool. Ew. Wow. What else? Something easy. What about this? Whoa. Got it. What else? But that's creepy. Then, what about this one? Okay. Yeah. That's enough. Dun, ta, ta. Look at these yummy, red, healthy figs. They're also called anjuras. Let's have some fun and exercise. Ta-da! Stop it! And this is a natural swing and a natural rope. It's so hard. Thanks for watching. Always explore the nature.